Hey guys, in this question we need to find out the value of k if minus 5 is the root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus bx minus 15 equals to 0, that is this equation, and if the quadratic equation bx square plus x plus k equals to 0 has equal roots. So we will first find out the value of p from this equation. Since minus 5 is the root of this equation, so we can just put minus 5 in the place of x in this equation. Minus 5p minus 15 equals to 0. On solving this equation, we will get that p value of p equals to 7. And now put the value of p in this equation. So 7 of x square plus x plus k equals to 0. So this equation can be reduced to this, and to have equal roots, b square minus 4ac, that is determinant of equation, should be 0. It should be equals to 0. Here b equals to 7. So 7 square equals to 49 minus 4 into k is 7 and c is k here. That is 49 minus 28k should be equals to 0. So on solving this equation, we get the value of k equals to 7 by 4. So the correct answer for the value of k equals to 7 by 4.